Do you know what are the differences between beside and besides? Confusion, right? No worries. Allow me to explain this clearly. Beside, meaning next to or at the side of, it refers to physical location or position. For examples, she sat beside me during the class. Or we can say, the phone is beside the bed. Besides, meaning in addition to, apart from, or except, it refers to adding information or making an exception. Think of it like also or other than. For examples, besides English, he also speaks French. I don't want to go. Besides, I'm tired. Or, there's no one here besides you and me. Quick tip to remember, beside, meaning next to. For example, he sat beside his friend. Besides, meaning in addition to or except. Example, besides football, I like cricket. Thanks for watching. Follow to learn more.